guys to my channel and how to download driver and how to connect the printer. So you just open any browsers to type the Epson L1250 driver. Then first URL you can see epson.co.in, this officially site. Just click on it. After that, wait few seconds, select your operating system. Okay, if you are using Windows 11 and if it is not showing here the Windows 11, no, you can see here, and then click to go. Extract driver, then printer driver, and click to download. After that, scroll down, I agree software and license, and these driver work on Windows 1160, Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and all. Okay, just click to download. After that, you can see it is start downloading in the download box. It will take some time, on total size of 167 MB. After downloaded, just single click to open, and then yes. Okay, so if you need to set default, so check it. Otherwise, in second one, automatic update of software. So if you require this, so you can. And then this is your printer, select and then click to OK. After few seconds, it will show the languages, and then if you need to change, so you can, otherwise English, and then OK. I agree, and again click to OK. Now printer driver packet will be installing though, so printer driver is installing. After that, you have two options to install, via network and via USB. So if you install via network, so connect the LAN cable to your printer and connect the Wi-Fi what you want. After that, search option, so this is search the printer automatically. Okay, if you know the printer IPs, to select this and enter the IP. Okay, if you don't know, select this, and after that click to OK, and then click to OK. After that, search like this. Okay. Second one, if you are install the USB connections, so connect the printer to your laptop via printer USB cable. After that, just click to OK, and it will detect. Okay, then on your printer and power on. After that, it will detect and next to install. If you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support. Thank you.